Congratulations, you've finally done it. Your invitation has been accepted and you're one of the lucky few to be allowed entry into a secret club, an elite society of underground online millionaires that earn insane daily profits from the internet. Profits like this. Now, I have no idea how you stumbled onto this page, but your life is about to change forever.
I've been using this secret software for just over 2 months now, and I have already banked an incredible $221,000. This thing has turned my life around, and I'm just so thankful. At this rate, in another 10 months, I'll be a millionaire. Thank you guys. It's amazing.
I've been using the bot for a little over 3 months now, and I've already almost made $350,000 in profit. I was skeptical at first, but this has been a life-changing decision. If you're on the fence about this, you need to go for it while you still can.
I got a secret invitation to use this software, and that's when everything changed. I was struggling financially before, but since using the software, I've now got $134,329 in my checking account. I'm so grateful to you guys. You have truly changed my life. Thank you so much.
But before we go any further, I'm going to reveal the hidden key that could potentially allow you to live a life of luxury after watching this short presentation. Imagine a life of luxury which will allow you to live in exotic locations around the world, drive fancy sports cars, and have that dream mansion that you've always dreamed of. In the next few minutes, I'll unveil exactly how you can be in a position to bank up to $1 million per year using a push-button, fully automated robot. Now, I know what you're probably thinking, and no, this isn't one of those sales videos about the latest e-commerce, Bitcoin, MLM, or internet marketing get-rich-quick scam that will make you a multi-millionaire overnight, or some other such crap. We both know those cringeworthy videos are full of hype and nonsense and are only designed to do one thing: swindle you out of your hard-earned cash. This is not one of those videos. It doesn't contain any BS. It does, however, contain the potential to change your life and allow you to bring in a passive income from the internet. I'll even put a cast iron guarantee on this right now. If you don't reach your income goals once you have access to the secret millionaire bot, I'll personally refund every cent of your money. Hi, my name is Charles Allen, and I'm the creator and founder of the Secret Millionaire Bot. In the next few minutes, I'm going to give you the opportunity to access my underground, fully automated piece of software, or bot, that is allowing normal people like yourself to make incredible online profits like this. If you're looking to make money from the internet, then this might just be the most important video you ever watch. If you watch this short 5-minute presentation until the end, I'm going to show you exactly how I've used the Secret Millionaire Bot to make a fortune from the internet completely on autopilot. Just imagine how easy your life could be if you could do the same thing. You could be 100% stress-free without a care in the world. But more importantly, you could be free. Free from everything you've been trying to get away from. Free from all those crippling debts and loans. Free from the mortgage and rent payments you struggle to pay off each month. Free from all those costs of bringing up your kids and all the rest of the struggles that come with being an adult with no real assets or cash in the bank. The Secret Millionaire Bot allows me to make money on autopilot. Yeah, that's right. This bot will give you the chance to make a decent income from the comfort of your own home. I sit back and let the money come in automatically, while I'm at the restaurant eating, while I'm walking on the beach with my wife, and best of all, while I'm asleep. If you can see this page, it means your private invitation has been accepted to use the Secret Millionaire Bot. It means we believe you're the perfect fit to use the Secret Millionaire Bot to reap the kind of profits we're currently enjoying. Let me explain how the bot works. The Secret Millionaire Bot has been created and refined by myself and a group of my friends who are digital marketers, programmers, and statisticians from a number of top firms around the world. We've been able to create a fully automated software system, commonly called a robot, that identifies the most lucrative money-making opportunities on the internet. It then targets these and copies them into your account. In this way, all of the hard work is done for you. Just follow some simple instructions that you'll find inside the members area and you'll be able to replicate our success. The Secret Millionaire bot is the first software of its kind that offers you the potential to make these kinds of life-altering profits. Outrageous claims, you may think, right? But as you'll see, they're both outrageous and completely true. As you can imagine, this is a huge deal in the online world and has the potential to turn the market upside down, which is exactly why me and my circle of insider friends are keeping this secret tightly locked down. And so far, we've done this very successfully. In fact, since we created the Secret Millionaire bot 2 years ago, not a single soul outside our syndicate has heard of this. Not even a single wife or girlfriend. That's how tightly guarded this secret has been. But now, after close consultation with my partners, we've decided to make some changes. To be honest, we've all already made millions of dollars over the last couple of years. As you can imagine, with this kind of software, it's just too easy. We leave the Secret Millionaire bot running 24/7 and money just pours in around the clock. I personally have had to open 3 new bank accounts just to spread the profits around. Now, waking up in the morning and seeing the thousands of dollars I've made overnight doesn't even excite me anymore. So we've decided that as we've had our fill, it's time we started sharing this life-changing system with the rest of the world. After all, it's a great feeling to make money online, but it's an even better feeling to help Joe Bloggs, who works in the local supermarket, make money. Okay. Unless you have absolutely no interest at all in financial freedom and living the good life, I'm sure I have your attention now. So the next thing you must be asking yourself is, how can I get access to the Secret Millionaire bot? Well, that part is almost as amazing as the bot itself. All you have to do is fill in your name and email in the box you see on this page and pay a tiny one-time fee to access the software. Yes, that's correct. Nothing more and nothing less. By simply filling in your details in the box on this page and paying the small one-time activation fee, you'll gain full lifetime access to the Secret Millionaire bot. So what are you waiting for? Don't waste this opportunity. Can you really live with yourself for squandering a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity like this? If you're like most people who are struggling to make ends meet, it's because you don't take action. Don't let this be another occasion where you missed the boat. Take action now and seize your chance. You're one of the lucky few to have been given this invitation to